Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have back in my shop today this 2005 Toyota Corolla S. This one has roughly 167,000 miles and there is a rattling sound coming from the rear wheel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. One more sound sample from here. And let's listen to it from inside also. This is that forward motion. This will be basically reverse. So what do you say? What's wrong with this? I will personally blame the wheel bearing. But guess what? No play. Absolutely no play. Anytime I move it, I try different positions. There's not that rattling sound, there's no play in it, and so on. So what do you think? Is it a wheel bearing or not? Let's bring our Chicago pneumatic big friend half drive impact wrench, which I really can recommend to anybody. Let's take it off and have a peek in. Certain lug nuts keep sticking in my 21mm. Oh, this one is better. Finally we can remove the wheel, put it down. Now let's go and peek inside together. It should go off easy because I just removed this. The brake dust should be gone and so on. So we will investigate inside of this drum brake. Obviously there could be theoretically some other reasons why it's clicking and ticking. But I personally don't see, and I didn't see last time, anything interfering with this hub and with the bearing. Let me turn it around for you again. So another sound check. So when I don't see anything really possibly rubbing on it and so on, I'm personally suspecting that bearing, despite the fact there's absolutely no play on it. And I am prepared for this, and I have here entire hub assembly. Now when you go and order it, in the case you are facing the same repair, there are many options. You can buy also just the bearing which is inside of this hub right here, but there's no reason it will be a mistake to do that, because if you look here, it's actually held, the entire assembly is held from the back, from inside, and you saw it already, with 4 bolts. So why to make your life difficult when it could be easy, correct? This whole part obviously is more than just a bearing, but I don't think it matters in this case. And this will be the one elegant way to deal with it. Obviously, as you can hear, the bearing shouldn't be clicking and making all that ruckus. So this is the new part. I will replace it, and I will probably put it in different how-to video which people are seeking. So it will be in 2 pieces, but of course I will show you the final result, and you will see if it worked or if I was wrong. Now also when you are ordering, pay attention. There will be a non-ABS version, which is this one, or the one with ABS. So before you getting ready for this repair, you have to check if you have the speed sensor on it or not. Apparently in this year you can have both. versions. So I will do that magical click and you will see it installed brand new. And boom, new part installed. As I said, there will be in different detailed how-to video, how to you remove the old one and how you install the new one. It's nice installed there. What do you think? Were we right? The bearing was bad. What do you guys think? Let's do the same movement with a new part. So thank you for advising me that rattle is coming actually from inside of the bearing. You were right. And for those very skeptical folks, let's show it with the wheel on. Nice and quiet, very slight rubbing on the brake shoe, which will find its place and settle after some braking. Absolutely good. We were right about this. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video, you find it helpful and interesting, and please stay tuned because I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.